If you're a social media manager or planning on being one, then you should watch this video. I have been testing out so many strategies lately, and last month I hit the And guys, please take note, all of this are organic. Gusto mo yan? And I want to make sure that I get to share this as soon as possible because umiinit yung page ko. I know for a fact na kung magaling kang SMM, alam mo na kailangan yung post would be able to trigger emotions. And lately, ang goal ko talaga is makapaggawa ng isang complete guide, as in kompletong guide kung paano nga ba magsimula mag-work from home. Ngayon, meron na tayong post doon kung paano nga bang magsimula. May post na tayo sa magandang platforms mag-apply. May post na tayo kung saan magandang VA agencies, and lahat ng ambag, lahat ng feedback doon, tunay na tao. Nag-share sila ng kanilang experience. However, pagdating sa computer kasi, sabi ko parang boring naman na, ano tayo, Windows versus laptop, ganun na lang lagi. And so I tried something new. And naging social experiment ko na rin siya just to see how people would react to it. But before I show it to you, I want to phrase this video by simply saying, naka-MacBook po ako. Kung matagal ko na kayong follower, alam na alam niyo. Number 1, hindi ako magaling sa computer. Marunong lang akong gumamit. Number 2, hindi lahat ng post ko dapat siniseryoso. Yung iba doon, brain fart lang. But brain fart with a heart. But for the purpose of experimenting, I posted this. Post nyo na lang para mabasa ninyo. Pero hindi ako nakatis yan. Actually, nag-post din akong disclaimer. Dalawang disclaimer talaga yan, Day. Sabi ko dito, share ko lang. Using MacBook as a status symbol in freelancing is so overrated. Yung palang tataas na yung kilay ng mga diba? But, meron pang follow-up. I-trigger pa natin yung audience. Like posting, I work so hard, deserve ko to, flashes of photo. Guys, ginagawa ko talaga yan. Kasi naniniwala akong pag pinaghirapan mo, yabang mo. Pinaghirapan mo yan eh. Pero nga, ang goal nga nito is to trigger emotions. So sabi ko talaga, pero sige, kung trip mo, balikan mo lang, diba? Kasi, I want to know, do people think that Mac is really worth it? Like MacBook, Apple products. MacBook specifically. Para malaman natin yung ano nga bang masasabi ng MacBook users at saka ng Windows users. Pero with the twist, kasi this time hindi. Ipaglalaban ko na tama yung decision ko. Girl, the results. Ito sa personal kong account. At ito yung sa page ko. And I got exactly what I was aiming for. Results. And when I say result, as in paragraph after paragraph, paragraph. B, ang dami dyan. Meron pa sa personal account ko and meron pa talaga ng attack sa akin. My God. Meron pa nag-comment sa personal account ko. Sabi niya, let people be. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, I super appreciate everyone. Kasi mapapansin mo doon, meron talagang talakayan na hindi, Windows mas maganda kasi ganito. Pagkatapos sasagot yung mga naka-Apple products. Apple products because blah blah blah, meron pa talagang sobrang detail. So ngayon, kapag pumunta yung audience ko dun sa post na yon, magkakaroon na sila ngayon ng mas magandang idea kung ano nga ba yung kailangan talaga nila para sa role na papasukin nila bilang freelancer. Ang maganda neto, nagkaroon ng labanan ng matatalino sa specs without me exerting so much effort kung hindi mag-trigger lang ako ng emotions. And that's when I realized, yung comment section pa lang nung post ko na yon, kung ikaw ay content creator about freelancing at may gusto kang gawing content tungkol sa specs ng computer, girl, pwede kang mag-nitpick talaga ng isang comment doon. Tapos i-explain mo yung side mo. So again, if you're a social media manager, hindi nyo pa nagagawa to para sa sarili nyong account or para sa mga clients nyo, I highly recommend you do it. At dahil pinanood nyo tong video na to hanggang dito, just a heads up guys, last and final call, our social media management and marketing class for next weekend. Malapit nang mag-close because may pre-requirement si pinakang juicy na coach natin ng SMM, which is Edina, na kailangan umattend kayo nung level 1 na class which is happening on June 25th bago kayo maka-attend nung live class ng weekend. At kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung SMM, we have a class for social media management and marketing. May 2 weeks na internship ito. Kasama na dito content creation, brand strategy, management, and all that. If you're interested to join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, we'll open our Gig Hub. So sa Gig Hub, click nyo lang dyan, pataas, live mentorship, 999, nasa na yun? 999 social media management. I-click nyo lang yan para makita ninyo yung form. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. If hindi nag-work yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to doon sa mismong caption, nandun yung link para mag-enroll. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. 999 pesos lang to, kasama na dito ang onboarding, live session, application book kung saan tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply, mock interview which is your one-on-one with me, and then yung certification. And again, may kasama tong 2 weeks na internship. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!